Performance and luxury combined. The focus is now on high performance that doesn't compromise on luxury. With fast acceleration, incredible driving dynamics, and spacious interiors, these cars offer the best of both worlds. Title: in 2025 are expected to revolutionize the way we drive and interact with our cars. These futuristic machines are merging with, promising to make transportation more efficient, safe, and environmentally friendly. But what exactly does the future of autonomous electric vehicles look like? In this video, we will explore and shaping the AEV landscape in 2025, and how these vehicles will change the way we experience mobility. Autonomous vehicles, AVs, are divided into levels based on their capabilities, from level 0, no automation, to level 5, full autonomy. By 2025, many manufacturers are targeting autonomy, where the car can drive itself in most conditions, but human intervention may still be required in specific situations, and work together to help the vehicle see and respond to its environment in real time, creating with minimal human intervention. Electric vehicles are already known for making them more eco-friendly compared to traditional internal combustion engine, ICE vehicles. When combined with, they can further reduce environmental impact by enabling optimized driving patterns that reduce energy consumption. Many AEV manufacturers are moving toward manufacturing, including the use of by 2025, most electric vehicles will be designed to further reduce their carbon footprint. Tesla is pushing the boundaries of both electric and autonomous vehicles. By 2025, the will be available with capabilities equipped with Tesla's system and software. Cruises is an autonomous electric vehicle designed for shared rides. The vehicle is built to be fully autonomous from the ground up, meaning it doesn't have a steering wheel or pedals, and is designed for efficient urban transportation.